Hello my sweet potatoes, it is Michelle and today I'm going to show you how I took my cluttered borderline hoarder room to the modern minimal room that it is now on a budget. Because we all want to save a little bit of money, am I right? So I'm going to show you where I got all of the main pieces of furniture in my room. I'm going to take you through the entire process of me getting rid of everything that I had in my room, placing things here and there, moving things around to get it to the state that it's in right now. It's not perfect, but it's come a long way and I'm really happy with how it's turned out. So if you want to see how I did it, let's just get right into it. So here are some photos of what my room used to look like in early 2017. It was a complete disaster, and here are some photos from mid 2017 after I attempted to declutter, but it was still a mess. And then in summer 2018, I finally decided that I needed to do something about this. So now you'll see a montage of me clearing out my room for some new furniture that I bought. In the corner by my window, I used to have a desk with this foldable shelf on top, so I got rid of both of those. And you can see next to it that I already cleared out this huge wooden TV console that we used to have and replaced it with this wire cube shelving system that I got from Amazon for $25. Now I'm clearing out this large wire shelving rack from Target that I got for $50. I got this to replace that wooden shelf that used to be next to my bed, and I had that one for years, and a lot of you noticed in my previous room tour, room cleaning video from a few years ago that the shelves were warped, so I got rid of that and got this one because it's more sturdy and longer lasting. Alright, so now that shelf is cleared out, it's time for me to build my desk. So I'm building this desk that I got from Target for $50, which is a really good price for a modern wood desk like this. Plus it has a huge drawer, and I had my mom help me because it was a little complicated, but I mean, you probably could do it by yourself. It'll just take a long time because it took me about 2 hours. And then I just wanted to make space by moving out this huge wooden dresser. So my mom took this dresser and instead I put 2 drawers inside of my closet. These plastic 3-drawer containers were about $17 each from Walmart. So after a month, I felt like my desk was a little bit too dark for my taste, so I bought some light wood contact paper from Walmart for $6 and I applied it to my desk. This was my first time applying contact paper, so I was kind of just doing it on a whim, figuring things out as I went along, and I only covered whatever you could see on the outside. I didn't cover any of the inside because I'm lazy. And this took a long time, but I finally finished after like 2.5 hours, but I think it turned out super nice and I still have like a full row left. So that is it for the major parts of my room makeover. I got a lot of new furniture. So this all happened around summer of 2018. It is now January 2019, so it's been a few months. And within that time frame, I did make a room tour video and a fall redecorating video, but since then, I have made a few more changes. So within the past month or maybe 3 weeks even, my friend Kara came over and she helped me clean out my closet using the KonMari method. And if you don't know what that is, it's a way of organizing your belongings so that you only keep things that bring you joy. There's a whole entire process, how to store them, what order you should go through your things, and a lot of other details. I only cleaned out my closet for now. I also got these wire baskets from Ross for $6 each. And I also got 12 cube storage boxes. Those were all from Walmart and they were about $5 to $6 each. And then underneath my clock, I had this shelf space, so I minimized the amount of clutter on there because it was a little bit crowded before. And I also cleaned out and reorganized my desk drawer because I'm getting into bullet journaling now, and I do want to do some videos on bullet journaling, so let me know if you'd be interested in that. I put back my palm leaf tapestry instead of my mandala, and I got new mud cloth pillowcases from Amazon. They were about $27. I also got new bedding from Target for $11. They were having a 15% off sale. And then I also got rid of my little tray here because I just like how clean and minimal it looks without it, and I want the marble to kind of show through a little bit more. And then I moved my rug next to my closet because it's a good way for me to try on shoes without getting my carpet all dirty. And here are some other storage things that I bought to keep my things more organized. So this is pretty much the state of my room right now. It's come a long way since last year and I'm so happy with how it's turned out. I didn't go thrifting because I usually don't find a lot of good stuff from thrift stores in Hawaii, but I still think I got a good deal on a lot of the stuff that I bought. And I only shopped at Walmart, Ross, Target, TJ Maxx, and Amazon. Plus, instead of getting them shipped to your house, you can do free in-store pickup, which is what I always did to save more money. Alright, so that is all for today's video. I hope it helped you guys out, maybe gave you some inspiration. If it did, give this video a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe and check me out on my social media. You can also check out my sweet potato merch down below this video, or the link will be in the description box. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!